boys and girls. I am Miss Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. All of this week, remember, we're going to be reviewing our numbers. So we're going to be reviewing identifying the numbers 1 through 10, but also counting objects from 1 to 10. So why is it so important to know or identify our numbers and count items? So this is important because there's numbers all around us. We use numbers every day. We use numbers to add, to subtract, to count how many objects we have. And if we go to the store, we use numbers so that we can count our money and know how much we're going to spend. So this is why it's so important to learn our numbers, identify our numbers, and be able to count objects. So this is what we're going to be doing today. So let's get started. Okay, so in today's activity, it says count the bubbles and click the correct number. So we're going to count the bubbles and then we're going to look for the correct number over here. So how many bubbles do we have? This one's pretty easy. We have 1. So which one is 1? Is it the top one, the middle one, or the bottom one? It's going to be the top one. Yes, good job. But before we click on that, I'm going to ask you, what number is this? That's 4. What number is this? 2. Try to give me the answers before I give them to you, okay? So we have 1 bubble, and I'm going to click on number 1. Good job. We got it right. How many bubbles do we have here? 1 and 2. So which one's number 2? Is it the top, middle, or bottom? Which one's number 2? If you said the middle, then you got it correct. But before I click on that, I'm going to ask you, what number is this? Say it before I give you the answer. This is number 1. And what number is this? This is number 7, and we need number 2. This is number 2 right here. We got it correct. How many bubbles do I have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Which one's 3? Top, middle, or the bottom one? If you said the top one, you are correct. But what number is this? That's number 8. What number is this? 4. We have 3 bubbles, so we need number 3. We're going to click on number 3. We got it correct. Now let's count our bubbles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which one is 4? Is it the top one, the middle, or the bottom? The bubbles, or the number 4 is the one in the middle. But before I click on that, what number is this? What number is this? 5. What number is this one? 6. We have 4 bubbles, so we're going to click on number 4. Good job. We got it right. Let's count the bubbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one is 5? Top, middle, or bottom? If you say the middle, that is correct. This is number 5. But what number is this? Should have said 1. What number is this? That was 3. So we have 5 bubbles. So we're going to click on the number 5. We got it correct. Good job. We have a lot more bubbles. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Which one's number 6? The top, the middle one, or the bottom one? Number 6 is the bottom one. What number is this? 2. What number is this? 3. We have 6 bubbles, so we need to click on number 6. We got it correct. Let's count our bubbles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which one is 7? Top, middle, or bottom? It's going to be the bottom one. Good job. But what number is this? That's number 2. And this one? That's number 9. But we have 7 bubbles. Wait, how many do we have? I got confused now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we have 7 bubbles. So we need to click on number 7. Miss Moran was not paying attention. Sorry. Okay, so now let's count our bubbles again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which one is 8? Top, middle, or bottom? 8, 8, 8. 8 is going to be the top one. But what is the name of this one? That's number 3. And this one? Number 9. We have 8 bubbles, so we're going to click on number 8. Oh my gosh, we got more bubbles. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So which one is number 9? Top, middle, or bottom? Number 9. This is number 9. Well, what number is this then? That's number 6. What about this one? That's number 4. We have 9 bubbles, so we're going to click on number 9. Good job. We got it correct. Oh my gosh. We got so many bubbles. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 bubbles. Which one's number 10? This should be easy for you. Is the top one, the middle, or the bottom? Number 10 is the top one. Yes. What is the name of this one, though? What number is that? That's number 9. Make sure you're saying those answers before I give you the answers, okay? Don't cheat. What number is this? That's number 5. We have 10 bubbles, so we're going to click on number 10. Good job. We did it. Okay, so now let's go over our homework. Guess what we're doing today for your homework? You guessed correct. Today we will continue our all about posters. Today we're going to be doing all about number 9 and all about number 10. So go ahead and pause this video if you want to do this with me. Grab your paper, grab your pencil, markers, crayons, stickers, whatever you need to work on your poster. So let's get started. All about number 9. We're working on number 9. Okay. So this is how you write number 9 or 9 in English. It's an N-I-N-E. Good job. So now we're going to do tally marks. Remember, something special happens when we get to 5. So we have to do 9 tally marks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good job. So what can it look like? Okay, number 9 could look like this. And also sometimes, I don't know if I can draw it, but sometimes it's a little bit more curved. Kind of looks like a G sometimes. I don't think I drew it very nicely, but sometimes this is how you might see it on the computer or your tablet. Okay, and here we're going to do objects, and my stickers are too big, so I'm going to start drawing. I need to draw 9 things. Let me think what I'm going to draw. What can I draw? I think I'm going to do 9 hearts today. I'm going to use the red marker. So let me do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Be careful when you're drawing yours. Make sure you do 9. And now we're going to our 10 frame. So 1, 2. Oh, we're going to draw 9 circles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Good job. Okay. So this is more or less what yours needs to look like. Now you can pause the video and go get your other paper so we can work on number 10. So we're going to work on our all about poster number 10. Okay, all about 10. All right. This is how you spell 10. T-E-N. 10. Now we're going to do our tally marks. So pay attention how we're going to do it because there's something you have to do when you get to that 5 mark and that 10 mark. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See that? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now let's write how it may look. So this is number 10. It might look like this, or the 1 might be a little bit different. It might look like this. Sometimes the 0 might look like this. Okay? So there's a lot of different ways to see number 10, or like this. Okay, some people would put a line through their 0. Okay, for objects, like I said, my stickers are way too big, so I'm gonna draw now. Let me see, what am I gonna draw? I think I'm gonna do stars. I'm gonna do 10 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Those are my 10 objects. Now we're going to our 10 frame, and we're going to do 10 circles in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Our 10 frame is full because it had 10 squares, and now we have 10 circles. 1 circle in each square. So our 10 frame is full. So if I looked at this, I wouldn't even count, because if it's full, I know it's going to be 10 because it's a 10 frame and only 10 fit in here. I hope that made sense. Okay, guys, so this was your homework. Please take a picture of it and send it to me. I need both 9 and 10 to make sure you did both. And then you can, if you're saving them and taping them to the wall, go ahead and put it. You're going to have all your all about posters from 1 to 10. All right, guys, I'll see you here. Oh, and actually, and if you do that, if you do put it in your house, in your wall, take another picture so I can see all of them. That'd be nice to see. All right, guys, I will see you here next week when we're going to be doing something new. Bye-bye.